Hi guys, welcome to another video by Fundable X. So let's see what happened today, and this is my trade breakdown for today's trade. So the people who have watched my previous videos on yesterday, I was planning a short and I did a short yesterday, and it came like 1:5, but I didn't book my profits yesterday. I took it from here and I came until this point. Okay, yesterday I shorted it. Now what happened was then I trailed my stop loss eventually, and my stop loss got hit something around this point, and I booked a profit of 1:1.3 or something like that. Okay, and it got reacted from this order block because I was expecting the market to come down all the way down, so I shorted it. So that was the story of yesterday's trade. Okay, so but at the same time this was an equal high, and this was a liquidity area. There was an unmitigated area which I was planning to short from yesterday, which was on this midpoint. So the people who have watched my previous videos, you will have an idea. So this was the point. Now what happened yesterday, the day has passed, then the Asian session has came in. Now today, what was my plan? I was looking into the market. If you're looking into 4 hours market, what is happening on 4 hours market is this particular candle has took out the liquidity. Okay, so that is the first thing, and the market has came all the way from the down point to top point. Okay, now what is that? This is at a 4 hour liquidity, the candle which took the liquidity. So this is a zone and this is an order block which I am interested in, so I have marked this zone. Now on 15-minute time frame, if you're looking that the market has reacted from here and the market has came down, and I have shorted this, and it has given me 1.5 hour, but my trailing stop loss got hit on an impulsive move. That's it. Now today what I was planning is, once the market again comes to this level, Asian low has been liquidated. It's not liquidated, there's a liquidity over here, equal highs, and I was expecting the market may have a reaction from this point, so I would have short this because yesterday I'm planning this, and the market didn't give me much of a momentum on Asian market. So what I'm expecting is market is going to go up, come back down to all the way to this point. But what happened on 1 minute time frame, I had marked this OB, so this OB has been marked. Asian level has been broken down and it has came down, right? There was a news at this time, news was the market came down, took out this liquidity, got a small charge. What I did, I took it entry just for what I was planning is like maybe $300 to $400 I'll book it, because this week my account will get reset, right? I was on a profit of $1,300, 1,300 or something. I was on profit. So what I was expecting, maybe I can bring back my account to something like $2,000 profit, so I could increase my risk on these coming 2 days, and maybe I'll try to pass this. Okay, but as far as I'm above 100k, I can reset my account and it is free of cost. Then what I did, I just took a trade and exited this point. Okay, after that the market came down again and it went a rally. Okay, so this was a very good trade from my side. I could have holded it, but that's my plan was to book my profit at this point, and even I have posted it on my Telegram channel. 1:3 was the maximum profit I was expecting, but once, as you guys can see, that the market has reacted. Okay, now again the market came here, took out the liquidity sweep, and it was been consolidating from this particular point, and I kept an entry over here, and I have shorted my first entry with 2.5 pips. So something like I kept my stop loss as 90, my entry point was at something like here, so 2.5 pips I was having a stop loss, and I took 20 lots. Okay, after that what happened, it took my stop loss here on spread difference, it took my stop loss again. I got a reaction, I went aggressive over here, and I kept my stop loss little bit above because I don't want to hit my stop loss just because of the spread. Now what happened is, again my stop loss got triggered. I took a loss of $500. That's it. So basically for today the trade has been done. So let me show you my MFF account. So this is my my Forex account, and I was having a profit of 1,188. Okay, then I booked a profit today morning, like something like $180. So basically it came to 1,300. Okay, now I took 2 trades over here, and I booked a profit of 161. After commissions, I got a 161 rupees dollar profit. I took a 20 lots of trade first I took, it took a loss of 560, including the commissions, and another $530, which was 10 lots. Again, that took my stop loss. Now my total account balance is something around 100 and 188. Okay, no, 100 and 259. So this is the total account balance right now. Now I have only 4 days left. I'm not going to take any risk, no more trades. So that is for this week. I'm not going to take any further trades. I'm going to start it from Monday with a steady plan. Okay, so why did I take this much risk today? Was if you look into, I was checking into the forex market. So today there's no much of a news. Okay, from tomorrow what happens is there is a news on 2 p.m. 5:30 there is a news on GBP, and 6 p.m. there is a news on USD. Everything is red news. Okay, so definitely the market will be very much volatile. So there won't be I won't be able to hold any positions on GBP and Euro, because that is the most of the pairs which I trade. I won't be able to hold any positions because at 5:30 there will be news and big volatility movement is expected. Another half an hour after that, USD unemployment, very big news. Okay, then 7:30 again there is a new home sales, there will be volatility. So there is pretty much nothing you can trade from 5:30. Okay, before 5:30 itself you won't be able to take anything, because 5:30 if there is a news you have to exit before 5:30, right? So even today I got my trade around 2 o'clock or something, and it got exited. So tomorrow I could take my trade. If I get an early trade tomorrow morning, I will be able to take it. Otherwise getting into a trade is kind of a risky point. Okay, then Friday, don't even think about making a trade. 12:30 trade, 1:45 there is a news, 2 p.m. there is a news, 2:30 there is a news, 3 p.m. there is a news, 6 p.m. there is a news, 7:15 there is a news. So basically there is no trade for me on Friday. Even though I was trading, I would avoid this day, because everywhere there is a news. In case I am entered on a position, there is a high chance that it's gonna just hit my stop loss and come back, because it happened a lot of times to me. So basically when there is a news, I don't usually trade. So tomorrow is the only day which I could look for best trades. So what I planned was, I could take my risk today, like on a $500, and I have $1,000 to risk. I could take 2 positions today, and if I get this position like 1:2, 1:3, if I be able to capture, my account goes to something like 3,500, right? So that was my plan, like by taking few trades, make my account today like 3,500, and tomorrow risk that 3,500 and bring back the account to something like 6K. In case if I couldn't bring my account to 6K, I'll bring back I'll take a loss of maximum of $3,000 for tomorrow. So it doesn't affect my daily drawdown limit, and if it gets a good trade, I maybe have a chance to bring my account back to positive. So that was my mindset while I was trading today. But unfortunately what happened was, it took my stop loss here. Okay, so that was the point. I took my stop loss. I didn't wait for any shifting, because it was kind of an extreme level which I was looking. This point was an extreme level. As you guys can see, it made a structure, took out the liquidity, inducement, like these kind of things were on my favor, right? So that is why I didn't take the trade. But what happened after it took my stop loss for 2 times, now the market has been dropping. See, so this is what happens on market. These things happen. Now it has dropped, like, from this point it has dropped like 6 pips. At least $600 I would have been on profit, and what I was targeting is 20 pips. So I had 10 lots running, and I could have made like $2,000 if it comes to the target. So I'll watch this market just for fun. But so it happens, it's market, right? So these things happens on market. It takes your liquidity, takes your liquidity one time, second time it takes you. So now the institution has cleared everyone on this top, and now they are going just by themselves, So these things happens on market. Anyway, it is fine. I'm okay with it. I couldn't get a winning trade today. If I could have got a winning trade, I would have had a chance to bring the account to 6K. Anyway, fine. So that is the trade for today, and thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Telegram channel, where I'll be posting my daily trades, which is called Fundable X. and that's it. So I'll put it on the description below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.